Hi, this is Bob. Today I will talk about minimum level of knowledge required to start making your game. This level depends on which technology you choose. I thought about it and I came up with this graph. This is my opinion and it doesn't mean that you will have same experience. Actually, you need to know algorithms to understand program flow, basic structures like object and role, basic mathematics like coordinate system and measuring distance. In this particular project, I will use some basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now I will show you the simplest game I could make. It is about penguin trying to escape prison. We have our obstacle here. The obstacle is this door, and we have solution for the obstacle. It is this key. So we take key and escape the prison. Here is the message saying that we passed the game, and it restarts. We have everything that we need for this game. We have images, and we have one HTML file and the game.js file that is the place where all magic happens. So let's dig into code. Here we have function that adds everything to the page. It takes the image name, add it to the block that it is created, this block, and set it on position and add it to page, returns it instance. So here are the bricks. The bricks are the part where I spent most of my time making this game. This game is made under 2 hours and it has under 200 lines of code. Here is key coordinates and here is gate coordinate and little boolean that says if gates are opened or closed. And here is a boolean that tells us if we got the key. This is function that starts when page is loaded. So we set background, create player here, and edit image. So here we create bricks that make prison. Here we add key and here we add gate. Here we test collision. Here we test for controls, and if we register control, we set the speed of player. This update function is run every 100 milliseconds and it is loop-like function. Here we create proposed coordinates. They're made of player previous coordinate and player's speed. This is proposed position. Here we test if we hit the brick. So if we hit the brick, we restart our proposed proposition to alt position. Here we test collision with gate. If we don't have key, then if gate is not open, we restart to alt position. If gates are open, then nothing happens, and if we got key, we open the gate, and we use the key, so we don't have key anymore. Here we test collision with key. We take key and set boolean that we have key to true. Here we update our player's position with a new proposed position. So if nothing bad happens, we move. If something bad happens, we don't move. Here we test if we pass the level or game. Add alert and restart all parameters to the original setting. And here are registering our functions. So on load start game, on key press move box. The penguin was box on start. I didn't change the name. On key up stop, that is when we put up key, the penguin stops. And here is the loop function update every 100 milliseconds. So everybody who knows a little about programming can understand this and can make something of it, can make his own game. You are welcome to update it, to pull it, change it. Please send it to me if you make something of it. It is not a straightforward way of making game, but it is doable. You don't need anything new on your computer. You have your browser, you have everything that you need, and feel free to ask me anything. If you like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please leave them in comment section and I would like to answer to you. And see you next week with new and improved projects.